Terima kasih sama-sama.
Terima kasih sama-sama. Terima kasih bantai saya.
Yes.
Banyak
I study Malaysia.
Yeah, what course you study?
Engineering. Yes.
Oi, ni TikTok King Haider, bagi aku lawan dia satu game Haider. Kau cek saboter, aku lawan dia tu aku lawan kau. Dia TikTok King view dia 7,000. Aku menarikkan dia lagi ya.
Okey.
Assalamualaikum.
Satu game je aku lawan dia, lepas tu aku lawan kau balik.
Baik. Bye-bye.
Okay. Hello bro.
Yes, which language are you speaking? Is it Indonesia? Malaysia?
No, I'm Malaysia.
Malaysia, apa khabar?
Kabar baik.
Yeah, you makan nasi goreng ayam?
Nasi goreng ayam, good.
Yeah. I like nasi, I like roti canang.
Why your voice like that? Original?
Yes, original.
Or you have microphone?
No microphone.
No, don't lie me.
No microphone.
Weh guys, view dia 7,000 guys. Wih, 1.7M tu. The top one tu.
Abang, let's play one match.
Okay, before you want to match with me, you can beatbox.
I can do what?
You can beatbox.
Be boss?
Beatbox.
Box. Oh yeah, yes. DJ, drop the beats. Trust me, this is my field. I do it for you.
Siapa tu dia ramai? Abang Am, time ni saya perlu kat Abang Am. Abang Istepan. Tunjuk kat orang negara kita power.
This is it. Yay! I was born in the streets, raised in the streets. Born in the streets, raised in the streets. Born in the streets, yes in the streets. Ice on my neck, ice on my wrist. Ice on my neck, ice on my wrist. Ice on my wrist, ice on my neck. Ice on my knees, ice on my neck. Yeah, I was born in the streets, raised in the streets. 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 Yeah, I went to the club. I met this lady. She told me her name is Veronica. I know I'm singing rubbish. What pretend as if it makes sense. Thank you.
Nice bro. Before that, where you from?
Yes.
Where you from?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm from Nigeria.
Nigeria?
Yes.
Who teach you to speak in Malay? Malaysia.
Me siki bahasa Melayu.
Yeah, who teach you?
I study Malaysia.
Really?
Yes, I study Kuala Lumpur.
Yeah, good. Okay, now you number one in Nigeria, right?
Yes. You number one in Nigeria, you number one Malaysia.
Kalau aku cakap nombor satu kan macam claim pula. I number 3.
Number 3 Malaysia. Let's go, let's play one match.
Let's
see
go.
number 1 versus number 3.
Yeah.
Yes. Kingdom family.
Lebih tinggi guys.
Number 1 versus number 3. Wow.
Guys, tap screen guys. Yang ni betul kuat guys. Kuat sangat ni. 9,000 lebih ni. Tap screen pergi laju. Kejap balik. Dah. Yang ni aku kena jadi Haider. Tolong guys. Aku yang kena jadi Haider guys. Hilang win aku. 27 win. Syak dia. Lawan dengan 6 win. Thank you guys yang tap screen guys. Kak Besta, Abang Istepan. Hui, minta Abang Am ada lah. Bibi. Sayang Bibi, 500 tu kat kali 3 Bibi. Kalau bagi sekarang ni 500 je. Kat kali 3 dia dah 3 point. Sekarang ni kena bagi topi, 1 coin, tap screen je dulu.
I wonder what he's doing in Malaysia that he has so many views more than...
Lepas tu kita ada booster kan. Kita hilangkan 27 win dia. View dia ramai, dia nombor 1 kat Nigeria. Aku nombor 3 kot kat Malaysia. Ke nombor 10 ke. Cakap nombor 1 kan orang kata claim pula kan. 3 je lah.
Snipes. If you have the boosting glove, use the boosting glove.
Aileen pun tak ada. Kalau ada Aileen baik tu. Tapi Sultan dia masuklah kita. Shoot. Sultan dia masuklah aku duk intai-intai. Anda enak etetah. Anak-anak etetah.
That's right.
Jesus, he has 10,000 views. Who is this
Belum
guy?
Abang
How
Eddie
did he
ni.
have 10,000 views? Who is this person?
Ni perlukan habis ni. Abang Eddie, Atai, Big Star. Wih, tes screen guys. Kejar tu. 1, 2, 3. Yang ni free je guys. 10.2, 10.3, 10. Woi, dia kejar tu. 10.8, 11, 11.2, 11.3, 11.4. Lagi 11.7. Guys, sekarang kali 3 guys. Yang ni kena mengamuk
Only
guys.
chance we have right now.
Bunga berhenti kejap. Sekarang ni kali 3 kan booster. Bunga berhenti kejap je. Lawan dengan Nigeria top 1 ni.
Only chance we have right now on the
Bala
times
otak
3.
dia lah.
Interstellar for
Kali
Max
tiga
on
booster
the times 3. Thank
tiga
you
booster
so much, Max. I see you, my beautiful queen. Thank you, Yankees. Thank you, Momo.
Kim Kak Lela. Yes, kali 3 kita
Thank
booster
you,
ni. Habis dah
Miss
booster.
Lewis. Thank you, Haruna. This is the last chance, everybody, on the times 3.
Bro Am, thank you Bro Am. Boleh kejar tu. 45,000
Let's go with
bro.
the victory.
Am, thank you Am.
I see Momo on the times 3.
Bro Am.
Thank you so much. The love is massive. Then we are going to show him that our family is very strong. Hi, Momov. Thank you so much.
Ya, ni kena ada Bro Am tu. Ini gila siap. Poin 200,000 nak jadi apa shoot. Ini kan ada Bro Am tu. 200k siap pergi rantai.
Snipe there, let me see.
Ini win aku yang hilang ni. Ini Abang Am je boleh tolong ni. Dengan Navy.
Hi. Wow.
Wow, very strong.
Today we are going to take his views to our views. Apo,
Oh,
what do you do online? You have so many views.
I'm comedian.
Comedian.
Yeah. You see my point, you can see comedian, right? You put me comedy kan?
Yeah, I see. Let's join our agency.
Ya. Ni second account, my second account.
Second account?
Ya, my first account is Acak S.
Wow.
Ni di backup account because my first account ban.
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 Oh, sorry.
This is my first account.
1.5 million.
Yeah, you are producer, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm director, actor, singer, I lah.
Oh, I follow you, okay? Let's be friends.
Friend. Hari-hari kau bantai aku tu. Dah macam ni
About
kan?
me, very good person. Yes.
Yeah, you good, you kind person, good person.
Yes, I speak Bahasa Melayu. How, what was it? Bahasa.
Good. Terima kasih lah bantai aku sampai 200,000.
Terima kasih sama-sama.
Terima kasih sama-sama. Terima kasih bantai saya.
Yes.
Banyak
I
sangat.
study Malaysia.
Yeah, what course you study?
Engineering. Yes, in Malaysia.
Me, you degree or diploma?
Masters.
Oh, I also master.
Oh, nice. What you study?
Of Mobile Legend.
Okay.
Yeah, master of
We
Mobile
work
Legend.
together one day.
Yeah. Next time I invite you again, okay?
Yes. Next time I
Thank you so
follow
much,
you.
thank
Okay,
you so
we are now
much.
friends.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my MVP. Thank you so much, my family. Tell your people.